Hey guys, today is our day off. Kasama ko si Ronald, si Ate Eugene, and Ate Wilma. Nandito kami ngayon sa Old City, sa Jerusalem. So, gagala muna kami kasi deserve naman namin to. After how many months, nakabalik ulit kami dito sa Jerusalem. So marami nagsasabi hindi safe mag-travel today sa Jerusalem, but nandito na kami, safe naman siya. So kailangan na nating maging vigilant sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin, di ba? Tingnan niyo yung mata ko guys, 2 oras lang ako natulog plus yung tulog sa bus. Bawi na lang tayo mamaya pag uwi. Kasi kagabi 12, almost 1 na ako nakauwi sa amin. Every day, ang pasok ko is 11 to 11. That is why, alanganin. So, nagising ako alas 4 kasi umalis kami alas 5, 5:30 kami umalis. That's why ilang oras lang yung tulog ko. Yung ibang tindahan sarado pa guys. Siguro dahil sobrang aga namin. Ate Eugene, excited ka na sa bakasyon mo?
Hindi naman
Kinakabahan? Sakto lang. Alam, may baboy! Guys, may baboy. I don't know kung ba. Ay, hindi pala to baboy. Ano to?
Tupa yan.
Ah, sheep. Kala ko baboy. Parang baboy kasi itsura.
Kala ko baboy.
Saan tayo, Ate Wilma?
Sa bilihan ng corn.
Kahit ilang beses na ako nakabalik dito, hindi ko pa rin kabisado.
Diretso pa.
Sarado pa mga tindahan. Sobrang aga namin, time check, it's only 8:33 in the morning. Usually nagbubukas dito mga alas 9 pa, alas 10. Ang iba tanghali na nagbubukas. So maghahanap kami ng mga pampasalubong. Lalagay namin sa aming balikbayan box. Let us see kung may mabili kami dito. Kumusta? Mabuhay? Oo. Happy.
Oo, sabihin ko.
Hala guys, may nagsushooting guys. Feeling ko magiging artista na ako today.
Ang dami na ng tao.
Kami naman sila.
Tayo nga ang kasali.
Kasali tayo.
Kasali nga tayo pala sila. Ay, kasali. Meron pala din. Ay, documentary. Artista siguro to. Hi. Bokerto. Ah, dito pala.
Siya yung ano.
Siya nga ang bida.
Tago ka muna dyan, tapos labas ka. Sabi.
Start na.
Pinaalis na pala tayo, nag-start.
Hello guys, so pabalik na kami. Ito na may mga goods, mga pampasalubong. So ayan, bumili rin sila Ate Wilma, Ate Eugene. Pupuntahan na kami sa simbahan. Ano kayang ginagawa nila? Kasi bukas daw may pupunta dito, Vice President ng USA. I think they are preparing for the event tomorrow. So guys, bibili kami ng t-shirt dito. Ayan, nakapili ka na ng design. Ito yung mga design. Wow, 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 wow. So bibili lang ako ng 2 t-shirt.
Large yan eh. Large.
Ah, nice.
Yung medium.
This is
Nice
medium, I
to-
show you here. This is medium. Okay.
Very minimalist lang.
Okay. And this is
What's your name?
Ishmael. This
Ishmael.
This is my cards. Here. And here my flag. You see what this is a flag?
Ah,
Ayan.
wow. You love Philippines?
A lot.
Butterfly also Philippine.
Wow. How much is this machine?
This is like $1,500, like about
Oh.
5,000 shekel.
It's really hot, right?
This is about like 200 degrees.
Ooh.
The fresh ones, yes. Of
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng design. Parang gusto ko na rin yung Israel Shalom.
Shalom, Israel. This is one. Now, next one.
May Codigo. Wow! This is my second shirt.
Oh, thank you.
I need another one large, still white, color white. Ate Welma.
Yan yung regular price niya talaga.
It's your regular price. Where the discount I did.
Yes, this is how I do for you. Just you don't know, you need to bargain with me. What I can do to tell her.
Hindi na nagkaintindihan.
Nagulat ako. Magkano to?
Don't worry.
Slika.
Pakadaan para pera niya.
Binigyan mo siya?
Oh, 20.
She give me 20.
Yan.
Yeah, now I need to put it here.
Yung bagong 20 natin.
Come to see. When you come to visit. It's here.
You know her name?
What the name?
Welma.
Wilma, it's your 20. It's here. You come to visit me, okay?
Remembrance.
What the
Guys, meron sila mga...
You come and when you need to visit.
Ito dating 20 yun.
I give you when I come back.
Yeah. We love that. Yeah.
Because this
Oh, sa unang sampo. This is Alish.
Hey guys, so we are here at the Garden 2.
hindi kasi niya papakita ko sa ako. Lagi ka na naman.
Hello guys, so we're off to Bethlehem. I'm with Sammy. Hello Sammy.
Hello.
Ayan, papunta na kami. So time check, mag-aalauna na ng hapon. Hindi pa kami nakakain. So pupunta kami sa kanyang storage room. Bibili kami ng bag niya, tapos kakain kami sa KFC. And pupunta kami sa Nativity Church.
It's have been, good for cooking Turkish chicken.
It is?
No, down there, between the pine trees.
It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time.
The one that have been shoot here last 2 years. This one,
The reporter.
Shireen Abu Akleh. And down there,
Who made this?
painted,
Who made this painting?
Palestine.
Palestinian?
Down there, have you seen? Down there, who's that? This is the stupid man. Yeah. Take a picture.
You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. Whenever daylight gets you down, you gotta steal the ground. Got to hold it.
I saw in the video before, Gaza is also like this.
Oh, Gaza, it's like Paris.
Yeah.
But now, it's returned back, don't worry. Everything is returned back.
There's a lot of restaurants here.
Yeah,
Chinese food.
yeah.
Ano, Chinese food or Japanese food? Gelato. May gelato. Oh. Kompleto pala dito eh.
Choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life.
Guys, change kami na itinerary. Una muna kami sa KFC kasi gutom na. Nandito kami sa parang mall nila dito. Maliit lang siya. Actually, this is my third time dito. Gutom na. Solo namin ng KFC ng Bethlehem, guys. Very nice. Guys, ito na po yung aming food. Chicken ng KFC, manok. Siyempre, minsan lang tayo mag-KFC, guys. Wala namang KFC sa Dimona. So guys, we're back here at the Nativity Church for the third time. This is the birthplace of Jesus.
Jesus na sa Bethlehem.
So nandito po kami kung saan pinanganak si Papa Jesus. And maingay po yung mga kasama ko dito. Libre lang po dito sa Nativity Church and good thing wala po masyadong mga turista. Kami-kami lang po.
Okay, Bethlehem, Beit Jala, Beit Sahur.
Where is Beit Jala?
It's down there in the front of my eyes.
Oh, beautiful.
Bethlehem, it's a mean in Jewish, the house of the bread.
Yeah, the house of the bread.
And in Arabic, the house of meat. Because lahem, it's meat. In Arabic, lechem, in Hebrew, it's bread.
Wow.
This is Miriam Church. see here, it's Miriam Church. Miriam. Yeah. Miriam Church.
Sakit na ulo ko.
And this is Protestant Church. This is the Protestant Church. And here is the mosque.
They are close to each other. So guys, natapos na kami bumili ng mga souvenir. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, nawala sa isip ko mag-vlog. So isang supot. Pero hindi to sa akin lahat kasi nandito rin kay Melody and Katerika. May bag din sila dito. So pabalik na kami ng Jerusalem Central Station at uwi na kami ng Dimona. So papasok na po kami sa tunnel.
Nagugulat tuloy sila.
Haba ba yan? Parang hindi na.
Mahaba itim.
Ito yung pinakamalaking thrift store. So guys, bounce na kami guys. So sandwich from New Delhi.
I remember